Hey guys, welcome back to Dazzling Handmade. We are back to doing craft haul videos. This one is from AliExpress. Yeah, I think I got like a couple more from Amazon. But today we're doing AliExpress. Stamps was my favorite. It has been a minute. How is everyone doing? Alright, so we got two little ones. Absolutely perfect for journaling. And Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I'm gonna put the love stuff aside. And oh, you know what? Maybe these two are gifts because the stuff that I bought is in a bag. So I think that too is a gift. It is almost New Year's. Can you guys believe it? So crazy. Alright, Gnomes. And this came with a die. I try to buy everything with a die these days. More gnomes. These are Valentine Day gnomes. Nice. Also, has a die. What I like to do is tape these together. I didn't do this when I started building my craft room, and I find that there are some dies that have stamps, and now I have no way of finding it because there's just too much stuff. So I've learned that lesson the hard way. Very cute dogs. Now this is the kind of dog stamp, not just dog stamp style that there's not a lot of room to color. I mean, there are Christmas sentiments here, but this is gonna go into the dogs because it's mostly dogs. I don't see how the dogs relate to the Christmas stuff. Like, there's a butterfly here, and I'm pretty sure we don't have butterflies in winter. Really cute. I think I have this in a washi. In here, you can put a sentiment. Very nice. I have this in washi for sure, like a smaller washi. How has everyone been? It's been a while. Yeah. I am just trying to do more cooking stuff for my cooking channel. It's been doing good. A little slow, but been eating a lot. So in January, that's when we're gonna start dieting. Very nice owls. This is one whole piece, so it's like a background part. But if I do this with heat embossing, it will look beautiful, and then I can just cut it out and have it as a background to something. Okay. Why does this look so familiar? See, now if you look at this, it looks like a big black blob. That's why I call it big black blob. And a lot of times it look this bad. But there has been times, that's why I stamp it in the back of a paper, and then when I organize them, I organize it this and an example of how it comes out, so I could see if it's really as bad as this with no details. Ooh, Christmas gnomes. Santa gnomes with a die. Very cute. Big mushroom. This is more like for journaling stuff. Nice. These are really cute, although it's very small. Room to color, but not a lot of room to do some shading. And the last from this package, is another Christmas one. I love this one. I have these, but this is the only one I have that has like the little gifts falling out. But it's something you can create if you have a gift box stamp. You can just put a couple underneath, make the same thing. Nice. This is for next year. Alright, next package. Watch, now that Christmas is over, I'm gonna find so many. Wow, that's a long one. It's like a foot long. What is that? Snowflake. You can cut it out and then you can put it on a background. So as if you stamp it and then you cut it out. This is how it's gonna look. And that's for next year. A reindeer, very cute. Trees, also very cute. Let's see what we have. We have a lot of stuff in here. You know, I don't really like these anymore because I realized that you do kind of have to color. I like it when the parts that's supposed to be different, they come in different color. Polaroids, bells, armor, boats, very cute, I love it. These ones are perfect size to put on those tags that I've been making, and tags you can do all year, literally all year long. A whole town, a whole village. It does not necessarily have to be Christmas. I don't really see anything Christmassy. There's a gift box that could be for anything. Did I buy this? I don't think I bought this. I think they sent me this for something that they didn't have in stock. I think. It's too small. This is where Jesus was born. And then we have more of these reindeers. Moose. Maybe I did buy this, but I didn't think it was gonna be this small. I have no idea. I've really lost track of everything. There's the moon and the fox looking at the moon. So cute. These are good stuff. We have this. We have these big ones. This itself can be a tag. You see there's a little hole in there. Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. So cute. And you can really get playful with the colors. Branches. I have so many branches, I need to make a separate box just for the branches. This one, another one, another one, and another kind of branch. I don't think this is a branch. The other one was more branch looking. Oh look, we have a smaller one. Christmas tree. Different shape and size. Reindeer. It has a nose. So cute. How was your Christmas? I didn't do much. I love these ornaments. I didn't do much. It was just me and my mom. These are mountains, hills. We made food. She made duck. I made dessert. Yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. Watched some Christmas movies. Coffee. And there's a ice one to go. Leaves. My dog got the cutest pajamas. Everyone loves these pajamas. Very, very nice. See, like these ones, I can cut them out on a designed paper. And then the last one from this package is this one. This is a perfect for background for a card. So we'll cut out very thin lines of this design. Ooh, one more package. But that one's really cute. I can put anything over here. Okay, last package. Kind of a big one. I see stamps, I see dies. Alright, so first one is... oh, the die is already in the back. That's nice. We have Alice, big eyes. A crazy looking one. And then White Rabbit and Mushroom. Same design. Wrong way. This way. Oh, I have got a Knott's Berry Farm seasonal pass. Can't wait to go. Wanted to get a Disney one, but they're just being weird right now. Mad Hatter, love it. Well, this is for Christmas next year. I was actually looking for this exact thing for one of the cards I was making, but now it's too late. Oh well, I mean, technically I can still make Christmas cards in the summer, right? In advance, you know. Mostly journal stuff. This one's very interesting. Very little room to color. Yeah, lots of details. So many details. Oh, let's see what we have here. Cheer. I think it came with this. Let me see. Yes, that fits. Okay, I would not guess that, but the good thing is that we have a bunch of stuff over here, which I think I'm gonna remove. Good sentiments. Good stamp. I really like these style. It's a little bit thick, but it's still good amount of room to color. Nice one. Ooh, we got bear, a piggy, and a hedgehog. And then another one. Oh, what's this animal called? Ah, it's so cute. Very good details. A lot of room to color. And some great sentiments too. Big enough to heat emboss. Good one. This is a little bit small to heat emboss. Alright, then we have these artsy ones. Oh, it's basically the same thing, just a little different design. So these are the kind of stems that I would do with just one color and then leave it as is. Then we have birds, and then we have this one, which also comes with a die. Very good design, a little busy. So yeah, good stuff today. We got a couple of love stuff for Valentine's Day and lots of Christmas stuff that I will be using next year. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I have links down below for some of the items that you saw here, I think, or the sellers that sell these or similar ones. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and I will talk to you in the comments.